Alright, number 7 now. Woo. Oh my God! Look at this! Look at how many babies! Look at how many heads!
I need to see.
Let me get a flashlight, hold on, so that they can see. Look at how many babies, guys! Oh wow, this one purple there, really purple. Here, let me get him out.
I want to see.
Here, hold
I
that.
want to see all of them.
We don't need a flashlight anymore.
Can you pick me up so I
Hold on,
can see
Pop.
them?
Inside the nest? Okay, come on. Get up. I don't want them to jump out.
Don't let it go. It didn't want to come out.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Beautiful purple. Look at that. Look at that. You see? Really dark purple.
It's like turquoise.
Another one. Wow.
Blue and turquoise.
Wow. That's a really nice purple. Look at that. Yeah, this one is like turquoise and this, wow.
Like
Look at that
blue,
color.
purple.
And there's one more. 3 babies in one box. And this is the smallest one.
Oh, it's so small.
We cannot see that one, but wow. Look at this purple, guys. Look at that. That's going to be a beautiful little bird.
It looks like that one maybe just opened its eyes recently.
3 babies in one nest. Yee! Beautiful surprise. Alright, let's do it. The last one. Number 8. The number 8 nest. Alright, get in there. Get in there. Dale. Okay, baby. You go there a second. And you, big one, go last. Say goodbye to everybody in the video. Goodbye. All right, and the last one. Hopefully we find something here. Uh-oh. What was that?
I think the parents were inside.
See, somebody playing. You guys want to see how small are the eggs? Look at this. That's how small the eggs are.
Is that one food? No.
It's not a good egg, so I just want to take it out. She's laying in a bad egg, so I just want to remove it. Well, and you got it. We got babies. How many we got? 1, 2, 6. Yeah, 1,
3.
2, and 3. So 6 babies. Yeah, 6 baby little birds, and I just wanted to share with you guys. They are beautiful, right? I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. GG, cool dandy. Yeah.